Good evening, Zimbabwe. What a colorful start to the week. Mukanya Chiwenga, your steady hand is signaling what Zimbabweans already know. The future is brighter than the collapsing edifice. Emerson Mnangagwa and this Uganda faction are desperately trying to prop up. Sarabina mashoko obuda panguva ino zvinonzi vipi kosano chiwenga vakatrigger aiwa zvakawandisa yesterday apo onekwa kunzi ostarta a week yesterday on a Monday aiwa in a full military uniform pamwe chete aiwa naAmi Selim Sanyatwe vanoonekwa kunzi old friends vekumauto ndodo subscribe like on the bell icon tibila pahendo kina mjata mdanyira chiti Shadrack Mashamombe is officially completed the full cycle of political self-destruction, used, chewed, swallowed, and spat out by the very vultures he ran to. That is the destiny of men who abandon conviction for crimes. Themba Mliswa and Christopher Mchangwa must keep their distance and stop dragging the nation into their manufactured noise. Zimbabwe is done being destabilized by washed out loudspeakers, masquerading as leaders. As of Ziyambi, let this be clear and final. Zimbabwe is one of the world's top eye surgeons. Dr. Guramatunu, you need his help urgently because standing in public claiming Mnangagwa's visible developments deserve term extension is not politics. It is a national embarrassment and a clinical hallucination. There are no developments, there is no legacy, and there will be no extensions. Zimbabwe is rising, and the era of manufactured illusions is coming to an end. Zimbabwe is rising. Hashtag defend the constitution. Hashtag say no to Uganda. Hashtag say no to 2030. Thomas Kwatoga panguva ino nakerana mjati saboda vipi kosa nochwenga pamaparents akaita yesterday and also nemamoves ari kuitwa nana Ziyambi nana Christopher Mchangwa naThemba Mliswa in supporting the 2030 plan pamwe chete aiwa panguva ine nekuviolate the constitution. Pinda kumesection metu zomafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.